fun with the boys again. See y'all on the water. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so since I know how to set up the frame this time, the frame plus airing up the pontoons took roughly about 20 minutes. We got here about a little after 8. It's currently 8:30. Got the waders on at the car. Gonna go back down and launch. What am I doing? What am I doing, Zang? Tell me. How deep is it right here?
60 feet.
Oh, okay. I'm not at the bottom yet.
You probably 65. I'm in 60 feet of water.
My J-er! Or a trout.
Or a lingcod. Or a small line.
Small eye. It's really sensitive, David. Little see? It's a really light bite.
I feel it, James. Same fish?
We are on the same fish.
Probably hooked into each other. Oh shit.
Oh, squawfish.
Ah, got him!
I jinxed myself. What? I jinxed myself.
You want to touch it?
What is that?
It's a squawfish.
It's a bait fish.
It's like the mackerels we got.
Yeah.
It looks like a snake. Bro, it looks like a snake but feels like a dick, dude.
Oh, wow.
Like you're choking on chicken.
I want to touch it.
Hey, Silly.
Hey.
No, I'm gonna go with that side.
Are you good? Good. Hey, I'm not playing though, dude. I do feel like a
Dude, there's still a lot right here.
Still a lot.
Right, striper candy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, striper candy, yeah.
That shit feel hella funny, man.
Ooh.
Nice. You got your GoPro rolling?
Yep. Oh, this one feels heavy.
You heard me talking about that fish like it's a dick?
Yeah.
You caught me on this shit.
Caught in 4K, my God.
What is it, David? You see it yet?
We go.
So.
Oh, you gill fucked it.
Hey, dude, that was totally on accident, bro.
Really?
Oh. Nigga didn't even look back like he gonna kick it. Oh, what happened?
That nigga say that nigga
Hey,
lied.
don't like though. You just went like, I looked like, hey, let me check that. It's like, oh, it's broken now.
Like, I barely tapped it. That's why I was like, it shouldn't be broken, bro.
But you're
Fuck of it. I can't go because broken my trolling motor.
Help me out, Zay.
Huh?
You want to keep this one? It's a fatty, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fat one.
Oh, shit.
June, yeah?
Oh.
Hey, David, let me see the bucket.
Just remember, you guys can only have 25 in that bucket.
75.
25.
75.
No, you can't have all in.
Oh, one limit? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
You can't fit 75 anyway. Just go fit 25.
You're supposed to have your own buckets or stringers. Yeah, your own bag.
Just say it's David's.
This shit easy. I got him on camera.
You kept saying this the whole time.
My J-er. Where y'all at? And then just jig it up, David. Ah, I got one of those mother. Pike minnow.
Man, hey, take that one. Go fish the pike though.
Stop. Look at that.
Whatever one I have.
Oh, this one's heavy, guys.
Yeah, it look like the rod is like bending.
Hella bending.
You got rice or nigga, go gym.
I know, right?
Just call Zang, bro.
I just did, nigga.
He got his headphones on. It would have stopped his music when you call him.
It didn't even ring.
Ooh.
Probably turn it on.
Nice size.
Fat.
What was that?
What?
You hear that pop over? Oh, there's.
Oh, there's people over there. This is probably the biggest one of the day for me.
You can't go like that.
Bless. Where my phone at?
Now he was fishing the cove with us too.
Oh, the kayak dude? Oh.
He was there first fishing, and I just asked him because he doesn't have a fish finder, so we just followed this.
Woo!
Dude, that's hella big. That's the size we catch over there.
This is what KT's been catching like the last 5 fish.
So why the fuck are we moving then? Just stay here.
Oh.
If you don't want to tow us, just say that.
Yeah, just say that.
Nah, dude, that's
Albert, let me get another picture.
we might as well just stay here, bro. I'm staying here.
So like every cast by way of
I know y'all just didn't want to tell us.
You literally just let it stop the day, right? So like you say that. It's not natural fruit. It's like processed to be a certain way. Ooh, he's not a tenant.
Where's the bucket? Close that real quick.
Oh,
We out here. We got 2 native titans, an inflatable boat, and an inflatable pontoon. Got KT over there rowing.
So quiet.
I don't think anybody said.
What's dude's name? Dan, huh?
I didn't ask his name earlier.
You were running up to him.
Jayer. Is it?
Yeah, there was someone behind.
Ooh, it's raining. Ooh.
Hey David, we kind of in a predicament again.
Hey, you know what sucks is I only got 2-wheel drive going up a hill. Hey, at least I'm all waterproof. I'm not, nigga. I'm gonna be soap-proof. No, you're gonna be dry-proof, bro.
All right, the GoPro gotta go away, guys. I dropped the door earlier, remember?
Yeah. Oh, did you?
Yeah, that's what David said fell. All right, guys. It's starting to rain. Still out here. It's gonna get hot. Dang, that time I went to Weaver Lake. It started thundering and lightning, dude. I was hella scared.
Oh, I saw that.
Fuck.
Fuck, bro, my toes are fucked.
We're getting fucking sick, guys.
You get a bite too? I'm right next to you. I didn't get no bite.
It's all good. We all work different departments.
Even when we did work at the same department, it don't matter.
Fuck. So we got ever since Easter. Trout.
Trout. That's what I'm here for. Where's the trout at? hope so. Yeah, it feels like a fat one. Alright, who's ready? He been here long enough. I'll tell you that. I want some fish, but I don't have a way to retain my fish, so there's gonna be the nearest bucket that I can find. Oh man, I gotta give it this. Nah, I like this fish fresh. It's crazy because sometimes when I get home, they still moving. This is small, so small.
Hey, it's hitting right here. Straight down from us.
This one's too small though.
But before the rain, right here wasn't hitting like crazy.
Too small to keep. I was looking at mods for it. It is. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah.
Because we got a battle bump that's all the dragging. He's not letting it go.
Alright guys. Hey, how are we passing you guys? Come on. Y'all gotta go faster. Y'all gotta go faster up there. Whew. Got my pontoon tied up. Got the inflatable tied up to 2 tight ends. Everybody paddling. Oh. Drift boat, baby. Good. Oh yeah. Go ahead, get up. Oh, you already took it out? Zach, I need you to turn your prop. Yeah. I got you, bro. Come here. There's a lot colder outside.
He almost dropped that.
Nah, he almost dropped himself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Gonna get home, get dry, get showered, get a hot meal. sick, boys.
Sitting in the water the whole time.